Welcome to Ethical GPT channel. In this video, we will make short viral videos that you can post on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms that support short videos and earn more than $10 a day. If you are interested in this content, subscribe to the channel to receive every new video on topics and ideas about making money online. Without further ado, this video is about how the human body works.
If your hand starts to act on its own and chokes you, you probably have a condition.
I think you've seen an example of this video before, and we will make similar videos. Look at the number of subscribers on these TikTok pages. First, we will translate the phrase, how it works, into any language we want. I will translate it into French. We copy this phrase and paste it into the TikTok search. We are searching in another language to avoid any copyright issues because we will convert the video to English. I will now search for any video I like. I think this video will be suitable. I will click on it to check its validity, then copy the link.
La muqueuse utérine s'épaissit et commence à se préparer à la possibilité d'une.
Now I will open a new window and search for TikTok downloader and choose the first link. I will leave the website link in the description in addition to any site mentioned in the video. We will now paste the video link in this field and click download. I will now choose this option and the download will start immediately, as you can see now. We are waiting for it to be completed. After it's finished, we exit Google, then open the CapCut app. If you don't have it, I will leave the download link in the description for both phone and computer. After opening it, we will choose a new project and wait for it to load. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive all that is new. Once it's done, we click on Extract, then select the video we downloaded. Now we drag it to the timeline then cut the video using this button and click Confirm. Now we adjust the video size according to the frame. Now we need to extract the translated subtitles in English. To do this, you go to this website, paste the original video link in this field, and click Get Subs. Scroll down, select English, and click on SRT. The site will automatically start the download. After the download is complete, we go back to CapCut, then go to Text, then to Local Captions. Click Extract and select the subtitles we downloaded earlier. Then click this plus sign to add them to the timeline. Now we make the necessary adjustments. We adjust the size and color of the font from the text field. To convert this text to speech, we go to the text-to-speech field, then choose the voice we want.
The menstrual cycle starts with menstruation.
I will choose another voice.
The menstrual cycle starts with menstruation.
I think this will do. I will select all, then choose it, and click Start Reading. We wait for it to complete the download. As you can see, the audio appeared in the timeline. I will hide the original video audio by clicking here. Then I will start arranging the audio so it doesn't overlap. I will speed up the video a bit. Now I will adjust the subtitles a little to make them look professional. Now that we are done, we will compare the original video with the one we made.
Voici comment se déroule le cycle menstruel. Le cycle menstruel commence par les règles. Lorsque les saignements cessent, la muqueuse utérine s'épaissit et commence à se préparer à la possibilité d'une grossesse. Vers le 14e jour, un ovule est libéré de l'un des ovaires et commence son voyage.
Here's how the menstrual cycle works. The menstrual cycle starts with menstruation. When the bleeding stops, the uterine mucosa thickens and begins to prepare for the possibility of pregnancy. Around day 14, one ovum is released from.
As you can see, my video looks even better than the original one. As for you, you can be creative with your video and add music and your personal touches. As you can see, you can apply this method even on a phone. Now you have no excuse not to start making money online. This was our explanation for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive all that is new. You can also choose a video from the ones shown on the screen and watch it.